In this video we'll walk through the shipment process and subsequent transportation of sales orders. This video demonstrates how a transportation management system can help companies that ship goods from their location and use their own fleet or a third-party carrier to deliver orders. We are going to create a warehouse shipment that contains lines from two different sales orders for two different customers. Then we will deliver that shipment to both customers via a single vehicle. Let's start with the sales orders. These two customers have two completely different orders, which must be delivered on the same day to two different addresses. First, we must create a new warehouse shipment. Next, we should use the Get Source Outbound Document function on the top menu and select both of our sales orders to add them to the warehouse shipment. The next step is to create logistic units. In other words, we must distribute the items between logistic units or pallets. In order to do that, we are going to use the new logistic unit function on the top menu, which will open the new logistic units wizard page. We will automatically distribute some quantity according to the logistic unit build rules. These rules define how many items can be placed on a particular type of logistic unit. The rule says that a 48-inch by 48-inch pallet can only contain 8 chairs. You can easily create rules like this for items, which are shipped on a regular basis. Here we can see the preset rules for 2 items, but none for the last one. So let's click the Auto Build Logistic Units button to begin the automatic distribution. As we can see after automatic distribution, there are some pieces left undistributed. Now we are going to manually distribute these pieces. In order to do that, we just need to click the Next button and create a logistic unit manually using the same wizard. Now it is time to begin the transportation process. In order to do that, we are going to create forwarding orders and freight orders. A forwarding order is an order for transportation, while a freight order is a real vehicle run. Thus, one forwarding order can be carried out by several freight orders or, vice versa, multiple forwarding orders can be joined into a single freight order. First, let's create our forwarding orders. In order to do that, we are going to use the Create Outbound Forwarding Orders function. Now a forwarding order has been created for each sales order. Let's open the first of them. The forwarding order card contains some general data, such as information about the shipper and consignee, the logistic units, and some additional information. To deliver our orders with a single truck, we have to create a freight order for these two forwarding orders. In order to do that, we are going to select both our forwarding orders and use the top menu function called New Freight Order for multiple forwarding orders. The Create Freight Order wizard window will open. Here we can see the Create New Forwarding Order toggle, which allows us to indicate if it is required to create a new freight order or add the selected forwarding orders to an existing freight order. In our case, we will leave this switch intact. Next, we need to select a carrier. Finally, we must choose the vehicle type. The new freight order has been created. Let's open it. The freight order card contains some general data including information about the carrier, the vehicle and driver, the route section. Here we can see 2 drop-offs at 2 different addresses, and the logistic units. In addition, there is an option to display the entire route on Google Maps. In order to do that, we are going to use the Show Route function from the top menu. Now we can initiate the shipment process by posting the warehouse shipment. Pay attention that the transportation management system allows you to post warehouse shipment by pallet. We are going to use the Post by Logistic Unit function to post only the 3 pallets that are currently in the truck.